back, guys. So I'm here with Cynosure hair once more. It's the same packaging as usual. So let's go ahead and see what we got into this package. First thing I see when I open the bag is the wig. Before we get into that though, what are the goodies that we got? I got a pair of wig caps. I got a headband. It's branded Cynosure. And I also got a pair of lashes. And then finally in the bag, I got a adjustable strap. So, oh my gosh, guys, for today's wig, we got like a gorgeous ginger brown, like an Auburn vibe Bodywave wig. Oh my gosh, guys, this is also 28 inches long. Guys, this is so gorgeous. Super stunning. The luster, the sheen, the body, like how full it is to the tip of the wig. It's so nice. The color is beautiful too. Perfect for fall or winter. You know, it's beautiful. And it's a 13x4 lace front. 220% in density. And the color is actually at number 33 to be specific. Inside of the cap has a total of 4 combs and adjustable straps in the back. This looks so good. I'm so excited to put this on. I'm also going to be installing this with glue today, by the way, as well. So I'm so excited. I want to really go ahead and rock the waves just as is when I install it. So, oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Let's go ahead and get started. So as I said before, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to do a really nice glue install with this. This is so pretty. Like super pretty. So the ear portion is pretty long. It doesn't fit as exact, but you know what I always say, but it's best it's bigger, a little bigger than your size, than it's smaller, because then at least you can cut it down and adjust it, rather than if it's too small, that's gonna be too much of a hassle. So like that's just not gonna work. You know, it's gonna give you a headache. If your wig is too small for your head, yeah, or too tight, that's definitely going to give you a headache. So be mindful when you do cut away from the sides here, like off the ear portion, that will accelerate reaching, because I mean you're cutting off some of the hair. So please bear that in mind. So don't be wondering like, oh my gosh, you know, why is so much hair coming from this area, or so much hair coming out the way? It's because you cut away, you know, a piece of the lace. So naturally you're gonna loosen some of the strands of hair. Okay, so I already cleansed my hairline, and I'm gonna go in with my glue. I have my Erica J glue, and that's what I'm using. I'm gonna get my blow dryer on cool air and continue to dry down this glue so it becomes very clear and tacky. And I'm only gonna do 2 layers of glue today. I'm not gonna go too extreme, but yeah.
It's like I can't walk on the ceiling. Oh yeah, got me dreaming.
And then, you know, I seal off the very last layer with some of whatever spray that I'm using, whether it got to be, or if it's any other brand. Today I'm using my olive oil Fix It spray. So I'm just gonna go over that, and I just use this to, you know, I don't know, it's something that I like to do to seal it off.
Driven in colors I never dreamed. Oh yeah.
You know, when you press it in, it should get real, like it should stick almost like instantly. But it really takes up to 24 hours to come, like fully dry, you know. And when it passes that 24-hour period, oh my gosh, nothing looks more natural. It looks so good. I'm just gonna do very light baby hairs. I'm not gonna do nothing heavy. I mean, I don't usually, you know, not like swoops rather, because baby hairs, there's one I prefer to do like my light swoops.
Deeper than I let anyone else before. Fell in love with my broken pieces, took them all and made them yours. Didn't know what my heartbeat needed. Skipping out, no, I can't keep score. When I lose my breath, boy, you got me breathing. Oh, every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Every little thing you do.
That looks so good. And it's gonna dry down even more, so if you're seeing any form of like cast, that's gonna go down even more. Like, look at the hair, guys. Definitely Jessica Rabbit vibe. So I'm gonna do a center part. Still keeping it waves. It's super full. As I said, it's 220% intensity. So, like, yeah, this is a lot of hair. Definitely will help to keep me warm. Because it's really cold where I'm at. Really, really, really cold. So, and I'm gonna get my wax stick to get this super laid.
Every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Oh.
So that's it, guys. That is it for this install. It looks so good, so realistic, and as I said, over the period of 24 hours it'll be even better. It's so pretty. Let me know how you feel about this color in the comment section. Like, Cynosure came through with this wig. They really did, and I'm gonna enjoy it so much. I just know already. It's too pretty, so pretty. So as usual, you know, I'm gonna drop all the information on this wig in my description box, as well as the direct link where you can go ahead and order it if you're interested in getting it for yourself. I really, really love it. I really, really love it. 10 out of 10. Would recommend. It's gorgeous. It's gorgeous. That's it. That's all. But yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.